Okay, so we're going to take a look at another question from the 2023 HSC Standard 2 math paper. This is question 26. So we're told Kim is building a path around a garden at the back of a house as shown. The path is 0.5 meters wide. Find the area of the path. Okay, so we'll just draw a little diagram. We have a garden and path area that is essentially a rectangle. We have a garden in the center. Now, one way we could do this is we could just find the area of the big rectangle and subtract the area of the garden. So we're told the big rectangle has height 3 meters and width 8 meters. So when I say big rectangle, I mean the entire garden plus path. So the area of the path, is area total minus area of garden. Area total is 3 times 8. 3 times 8. The area of the garden, well, we're told that the path is 0.5 meters wide. That means the garden must be 7 meters wide. It loses 0.5 on either side. And it has to be 2.5 meters high because it only loses the 0.5 at the bottom. So minus 7 times 2.5. So 3 times 8 is 24. 7 times 2.5 is going to be 17.5. 17.5. 24 minus 17.5 will be 6.5. So the area of the path is 6.5 meters squared. And this is the answer to part A. Now for part B, we're asked Kim is mixing some concrete for the path. The concrete mix is made up of crushed rock, sand, and cement in this ratio. Okay, so we've got rock, sand, and cement mix. Cement in the ratio of 4 to 2 to 1. She needs 2.1 tons of concrete mix in the correct ratio. How many 15 kilogram bags of cement? Calculate how many 15 kilogram bags of cement Kim needs to buy. Okay, so we need this entire mix to be 2.1 tons. So we are going to add these together. So adding these, 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. We have 2.1, the total number of tons divided by 7. This is 0.3. We have to multiply each of these by 0.3. And this will tell us, in terms of number of tons, how many tons of each component we'll need to make up 2.1 tons in total. 4 times 0.3 is 1.2. 2 times 0.3 is 0.6. 1 times 0.3 is 0.3. Now this is in tons, so we want to convert this to kilograms. There are 1,000 kilograms in a ton, so we'll multiply each by 1,000. We need only do this for cement, but we may as well do it for all of them because the question, in theory, could ask you about any of them. It could ask you one, the other, all of them, some ratio of them, something like that. So this is 1,200 kilograms of rock. She needs 600 kilograms of sand, and she needs 300 kilograms of cement. If cement is bought in 15 kilogram bags, the number of bags of cement is going to be equal to the total amount of cement she needs divided by how much is in each bag. 300 divided by 15, that is going to be 20. So she will need 20 bags. And this is the answer to part B. So let's talk about the marking for this question. In part A, you get 1 mark to attempt, 1 mark for an attempt to calculate the area, but you may not get the right area. You get the second mark for working and the correct area, which is 6.5 meters squared. For part B, you get a mark for identifying the proportion of cement in the mixture, or some equivalent. So starting to do your ratios process or something like that will get you a mark if the working is sufficiently good. For the second mark, you have to calculate the weight of cement required. So you need to know that the cement is 0.3 tons or 300 kilograms, something like that. And then the third mark will be getting the correct number of bags. So this is question 26 from this paper, and this is how we do it.